He maha tonu ngā pakehi paitahi Māori e whai mahi ana i ngā umanga nui o te motu. Hei tā tētahi ahorangi pakehi i te whare wānanga o Tāmaki Makaurau, e waimaria ana ngā pakehi paitahi Māori i ngā hua o ngā whakataunga tiriti o Waitangi.
Kore rawa tēnei taitama i hua ka whai mahi tō tika ia I muri I te whare wānanga.
I kind of started my last year, which was my 5th year, because I did honours as well. So yeah, it was interesting when I came in for interviews and stuff. When everyone was like, "Oh, I've been an intern for EY or PwC, some of the bigger accounting firms for a few years now."
Ko ia tēti o ngā paitahi Māori toko maha e haere tō tika ana ki ngā momo umanga mahi ai. He kai tataua Owen I tēnei umanga tatau pūtea.
I'm one of the more interesting guys. I'm an accountant. Audit is probably my specialised service line. So in audit, you kind of go to clients, you meet new clients, you make sure that their accounting balances are working.
E hai ki te ahorangi tuaru I te kura pakihi I te whare wānanga o Tāmaki Makaurau, ko tahi anake te take kai te whai mahi ngā paitahi Māori.
The business world in general have realised that the Māori potential in terms of our contribution to the New Zealand economy is growing and growing very fast. And part of that is due to treaty settlements. It's because of Māori in the last 20 years being extremely active.
Kei te taunaki hoki a Owen I wana kōrero.
I believe it was probably because of the Māori support that they have in EY. I mean, I noticed it was a lot more stronger than what the other accounting firms had to offer in terms of Māori student support.
Kua rua te kautau a Mānuka e whakaako ana I te pakihi I mua rā ko te whai a ngā tauira Māori, ko te reo Māori me te mātauranga. Ioi anō kua rereke tērā āhuatanga I ngā tau tata nei, he tauira pai a Owen o tērā āhuatanga. Anzac Pikia.